Life Path Education and Migration Private Limited.
By now, we have successfully booked a student VFS appointment. Okay, to this dashboard, our details are not yet shown. Most of the time, it takes around 6 to 12 hours to get updated to our dashboard. Now, let's book the next appointment, which means the spouse's appointment. So, let's click Start New Booking. As previous, the appointment center is set to New Delhi. Appointment category is set to Finland resident permit. Now, we need to choose the subcategory, which is family ties spouse with resident permit. Here, we have to be very careful when selecting because there are two sections under family ties spouse. Here, we can see a notification saying currently no slots are available. Let's click it and press continue. As previous, fill all the details as per the passport. If all the details are filled properly here, the save button will be available. Let's save. Under your details category, your spouse's details can be seen. From this button, you can edit your appointment. So, to go to the checkout option, let's press continue. Let's generate an OTP as shown. So this OTP event will come to our registered email address. So here VFS has sent us the OTP. Let's copy it and paste in the text box. We can see that our verification is successful, so let's continue. In the review category, we can see our details. After ticking the 3 terms and conditions in the check boxes, the Pay Online button will get activated.
TN Solutions. Innovations beyond excellence.